Hi friends, I'm so excited to see you. Today, I have something very special planned for us. We are going to go on a field trip. Do you know where we're going? Let's play a guessing game to see if you can figure it out. I'll give you a few hints. Okay, this place has many animals, but it is not a zoo. We will see animals outside in their pens or in the pasture. And inside a big red barn. Can you guess where we're going? Yes, that's right. We're going to a farm. Oh, I'm very excited. Oh, I almost forgot. I have another little guessing game to play with you. I wonder, can you guess what my favorite farm animal is? Think about it, and later on, we'll find out if you guessed right or not. Okay, are you ready to go? Count down with me from 3 to 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow, look how beautiful this farm is. Oh, it's a little bit stinky. Do you know what that smell is? It's called manure. Do you know what manure is? No? I'll tell you. Manure is animal poop. That's right, poop. And some other things like straw and other plant materials. Farmers use manure to help give plants important nutrients to help them grow. It's kind of similar to when people take vitamins. Manure gives plants vitamins and minerals that help them grow healthy and strong. So, next time if you're out in the country and you think it's a bit stinky, just remember, that's the smell of manure and it's helping the plants to grow. Okay, let's take a look around and see what animals we can find. Oh, wait a second. I hear a sound. Oh, listen closely. Do you hear it too? Oh, you do? Yes, you're right. It's a horse. I love horses so much. They are really cool. You know, horses are big and strong animals, and they have a long mane and a long tail. And their hair is similar to our hair, which I think is really neat. Do you know what horses like to eat? Horses like to eat many different things like hay, grains, grass, and fruit. Do you know what a baby horse is called? A baby horse is called a foal. Do you think that you can make a horse sound with me? Do you know the sound that horses make? It goes like this. Neigh, neigh. Try with me. Neigh, neigh. Fantastic. You made a great horse sound. Oh, what do you hear? A duck? Oh, you're right. It does sound a little bit like a duck, doesn't it? Oh, look. Look at the beautiful duck. Ducks are so cool. They're birds and they like to fly. But one thing that I think is really cool about ducks is that they have webbed feet. Do you know why ducks have webbed feet? Ducks have webbed feet because they like to swim, and their webbed feet help them to swim quickly. They also have waterproof feathers and can swim in both lakes and oceans. How cool is that? Have you ever seen an adorable baby duck before? They're so cute. Do you know what a baby duck is called? It's called a duckling. Can you quack like a duck with me? Ready? Let's try together. Quack, quack, quack. Wow, great duck sounds. Let's look and see if we can find some more animals. Ready? Oh, I see one. Listen. Can you hear a familiar sound? You can? Great. What kind of animal is that? You're right, pigs! Look at the pigs. They look like they're having so much fun. Do you know what pigs like to eat for dinner? They like to eat many different things. They like to eat vegetation, roots, fruits, eggs, flowers, leaves, and even fish. Pigs can be really big or really small. There's many different types of pigs, but the ones on this farm are big. Except for the babies, of course. Do you know what a baby pig is called? A baby pig is called a piglet. Oh, I think pigs are so cute, don't you? Do you want to oink like a pig with me? Let's give it a try together. Ready? Oink, oink, oink. That was great. Oh, I see another animal. Do you want me to give you a hint so you can guess what it is? This animal is big and it's black and white. Yes, you're right. It's a cow. Wow, that was a great guess. What do you think a cow eats? Yes, grass. Cows love to eat grass and walk around munching on it all day long. Female cows are really neat because they have udders. Do you know what an udder is? An udder is where a cow's milk is stored, and that's how it feeds its babies. Cows are my favorite farm animal. If you guessed my favorite farm animal, that it was a cow, then you're right. Good job. Oh, let's get a little bit closer and listen. Can you hear it? Look at the cow. Oh, do you know what a baby cow is called? Yes, a baby cow is called a calf. Okay, let's try to make the cow sound together. Ready? Moo! 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 Good job. You mooed like a cow very well. Oh, I hear another sound. What's that sound? Do you know what it is? Yes, you're right. That's a rooster. Did you know that a rooster is a male chicken? You did? Fantastic. What do you think that roosters like to eat? They like to eat many different things like corn, grains, rice, and leafy vegetables. Yum! Roosters are like an alarm clock. When the sun comes up, they let you know by saying, cock-a-doodle-doo! Do you want to try to make the sound with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Wow, you'd make a really good alarm clock. Oh, another animal. I'm not sure what that one is. Listen carefully. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's a sheep. Look at that sheep. It's so fluffy. Sheep have soft, fluffy stuff all over their bodies, kind of like hair, but it's not hair. It's called wool. Do you know what sheep like to eat? They usually like to eat grass and hay, but they can have other types of plants and grains too. What about a baby sheep? Do you know what a baby sheep is called? Yes, a lamb. One of my favorite songs is about a girl named Mary and her little lamb. Do you want to make a sheep sound with me? Ready? Ba, ba, ba. I've had so much fun at the farm with you. Have you been having fun too? I sure hope so. I really enjoyed our field trip today, and I can't wait to see you again next time. Bye-bye.